there's a silent threat in your company. And no, it's not a hacker or some ransomware or anything like that. But it's something your team is using, or maybe even you, right now, and you're not telling IT about it. Welcome back to Infinitech. I'm Isaiah, and today we're diving into something that's quietly putting businesses at risk. And that thing is called shadow IT. And it's absolutely exploding. With the rapid development of AI, cloud applications, file sharing platforms, your peers, your employees, and even the people that work closest to you are spinning it up at an alarming rate. It's fast, it's convenient, but it's also dangerous. So what exactly is shadow IT? Shadow IT refers to the software, applications, and systems inside of an organization that are being used without the approval or the go-ahead from the IT department. Most of the time, the IT department has no idea it's being used. Why? Because people want to get work done, and they want to get it done faster, simpler. But that convenience, it can create security blind spots, compliance issues, and massive risk. So why is this a problem? Let's imagine somebody shares client data on their Google Drive, or maybe a software developer uploads some code to GitHub from a coffee shop. Now multiply that by 100 employees across 6 or 7 teams. Without visibility, IT can't secure what they have no idea is happening. And this is where shadow IT becomes a silent liability. So what can be done? The first thing is that you don't fix shadow IT by locking all of your systems down. It's just not going to work. The best way to fix it is by understanding why it happens. And then you've got to provide your teams with secure and scalable options. So first, you've got to educate those teams on the risk. You've got to completely audit what tools are being used. Next, you have to empower your employees with secure alternatives to what they've been using. And lastly, you have to automate some policy enforcement using a zero trust architecture. Now, shadow IT, unfortunately, is here to stay. But are you or your company going to let it grow in the dark? Or are you going to shine a light on it so that it doesn't cost you in the long run? So this video is something that I felt was important, so stay tuned for more developments as we learn more about all aspects of IT. Subscribe to Infinitech. My aim is to give you an edge in modern technology and security. I'll see you in the next one.